Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Icon Box for November. Icon Box is a quarterly upgrade for Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy members. Every 3 months, a new celebrity is chosen to curate 8 full-size products. Each box is worth at least $350 for just $58. This quarter's box is curated by Lisa Vanderpump. Use the link in my description box to sign up. Inside, we have the Amika Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, Dermalect Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser, Coleyes Santorini Grape Volcanic Skin Reset Mask, Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, Dr. Babor Awakening Eye Cream, Tartelette Juicy Eye Palette, Laura Mercier Caviar Eyeliner Pencil, and the LYS Beauty Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare with the Dermalect Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser. This features advanced amino acids, natural antioxidants, and botanical brighteners. It has a slight scent to it, but it's quite refreshing. It's not overpowering at all. Next, I'm testing out the Coleyes Santorini Grape Volcanic Skin Reset Mask. This mask targets pores and uneven texture. I've never seen anything like this mask. The bursting charcoal beads are really unique. After that, I'm using the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. I just love Glow Recipe and their fun packaging. This feels incredibly refreshing. Next, let's try the Dr. Babor Awakening Eye Cream. This retails for $45 and is supposedly one of Lisa's favorite products, so I'm excited to have received it. It adds such a nice radiance underneath the eyes. Now let's take a look at the Tartelette Juicy Palette. This 12-pan palette retails for $47. Let's swatch it. It features rosy, bronze, and neutral colors in a variety of finishes. First, I'm dipping into the shade Petal. I'm applying this to my crease. I'm also adding this along my bottom lash line. To add more definition, I'm grabbing the shade Luscious. I'm also sweeping this into the crease. Now I'm picking up the shade Rose. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. I actually really like Tarte palettes, and I love the color story of this one. After that, I'm grabbing the shade Paradise. I'm packing this onto my lid. Finally, I'm using the shade Reflect and highlighting my inner corner. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier Caviar Eyeliner Pencil. This is in the shade Dark Plum. It's very creamy. I'm applying it to the outer half of my lash line and the waterline for a smoky effect. Finally, I'm applying the LYS Beauty Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Sincere. It's a soft nude pink color. I'm in love with this one. The formula, applicator, and shade are incredible. Here's the finished look using products from the November Icon Box curated by Lisa Vanderpump. Let me know your favorite product from the box in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.